at the YMCA. And we are celebrating our very first Merry Maryvale. I am here with my family. We are here with Santa Claus, with the firefighters, with the Suns dancers, with MRC, who's helping us host tonight. We have our legislators here that you guys will be hearing interviews from them today about our partnership in the last 6 months. As you guys can hear, this is a lot of fun. I hope to be able to do this every year, and I just want to wish everyone happy holidays. Today, we wanted to just take some time and talk to some of my friends at LD29, two gentlemen that have been amazing and supportive. We're trying to connect our legislative issues with our city issues. We're coming together. We're doing great things in LD29. So now I want to introduce you to two of my great guests, Representative Richard Andrade and Senator Martín Quezada. Hi, how are you guys?
Hi, Betty. Thanks for having us.
Yeah, of course. So I would like for you guys to talk a little bit about what the partnership has been like with District 5 since June.
Wow, of course. We're so proud of Betty because what she has done in our district is so amazing. Cleaning up alleyways and doing a number of things. Town halls, talking to the constituents. And that's what we really need. We need somebody who's really engaged with the community and talking to people, because who do we represent? We represent people.
Right. And what about our office hours? How has that gone? In LD29, we have this huge plan where we're doing office hours together. Senator Martín Quezada, you and I were together at the grand opening for MRC. Like, what was that like, and what do you think about that?
Well, Councilwoman, our Vice Mayor, I'm really excited about our new office hours that we're going to establish. This is going to allow us to work on city issues and state issues with all three of us as the servant leaders of the people of Maryvale and the city of Phoenix. So I'm really excited that we're going to be able to work together to serve the people of Maryvale, serve the people of Phoenix, and really provide the services that our people need.
We are here with our LD29 friends, and we are working on the issues. We're working together. There is so much to do when it comes to gating alleys, when it comes to cleaning up streets, when it comes to getting better things for our children, right? We're gonna work on stuff for the kids, and we're gonna work on our schools. Thank you so much, and happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Pretend that it's passing round. We'll say I'm married, we'll say no man, but you can do the job when you're in town.
Well, thank you so much for being here today. Marissa, Denice, you guys are amazing, right? You guys are two of our big troopers when it comes to Cartwright, right? You guys are our president and our vice president. I am very excited to be able to partner with you guys and being able to talk about, you know, what is the things that we can partner in together when it comes with our children in Cartwright. So I would love for you guys to talk about what are some of the plans, some of the programs that we have in Cartwright. Marissa, why don't we start with you?
All right, so some of the things that we have going on in Cartwright right now, we just opened up our dual language program at Starlight School. Some of the other things that we've done that are quite incredible is the inclusion of social emotional learning for our students. And what we'd like to partner with is on street safety and starting a campaign that can help us to bring awareness to our communities on why street safety is so important.
Thank you
We're
so
just
much.
grateful for your leadership. Thank you
you
so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. And this is Vice Mayor Betty Guardado, and I want to wish everyone happy holidays.